In a world that's increasingly connected and digital, the way we pay and transact has undergone a revolutionary change. Today, we bring you an exciting journey into the realm of United Payments Interface, or UPI, India's transformative digital payment system. Join us as we uncover the story behind its inception, explore the factors behind its remarkable success, understand the daily limits on UPI payments, witness the exponential growth in transaction numbers, and discover the recent developments shaping the UPI ecosystem. Get ready to embark on a captivating exploration of UPI and its profound impact on India's financial landscape. To understand this topic better, I break this video in 7 segments. Segment 1: How UPI came into existence. UPI, the United Payments Interface, was introduced in response to the need for a seamless and inclusive digital payment system in India. It was developed by the National Payments Corporation of India, with guidance and support from the Reserve Bank of India and the Indian Banks Association. The journey of UPI began in April 2016 when it was officially launched by the National Payments Corporation of India. It was envisioned as a game-changing platform that would simplify person-to-person and person-to-merchant transactions, making digital payments accessible to all. UPI aimed to address the challenges faced by individuals and businesses in adopting digital payments. With the increasing penetration of smartphones and internet connectivity, UPI leveraged these technologies to create a secure and user-friendly payment ecosystem. Under the hood, UPI operates on a robust architecture that allows seamless integration between banks and various payment apps. It enables users to link their bank accounts to a UPI ID, which serves as a unique identifier for transactions. This breakthrough technology eliminated the need for traditional methods like entering bank account details or using cumbersome payment gateways. With UPI, users could simply enter the recipient's UPI ID or scan a QR code to initiate a transaction. One of the key factors contributing to UPI's success was its interoperability. UPI transcended the boundaries of individual banks and payment apps, enabling users to send and receive money seamlessly across different platforms. Whether you were using an app from Bank A or Bank B, as long as both were UPI-enabled, transactions could take place effortlessly. This interoperability revolutionized the way people conducted digital payments, fostering financial inclusion and driving the adoption of digital transactions. Segment 2: Factors behind UPI's success. Several key factors contributed to its success. UPI gained popularity as an alternative to cash, especially after the demonetization drive in India. Its simplicity, ease of use, and interoperability across different banks and payment apps made it the go-to choice for millions of users. Let's delve deeper into the factors that propelled UPI to unprecedented success. Factor 1: Convenience and accessibility. One of the driving factors behind UPI's success is its unmatched convenience. With just a few taps on a smartphone, users can initiate transactions anytime, anywhere. UPI eliminates the need for physical currency or traditional banking methods, making it extremely accessible to a wide range of individuals, including those without bank accounts. Factor 2: Seamless interoperability. UPI's interoperability is another crucial factor behind its success. Unlike traditional payment systems that are limited to specific banks or apps, UPI allows users to send and receive money seamlessly across different platforms. This means that regardless of the bank or payment app you use, transactions can take place effortlessly, fostering a truly interconnected payment ecosystem. Factor 3: Robust security measures. Security is paramount in the digital payment landscape, and UPI has placed great emphasis on ensuring the safety of transactions. UPI employs robust security measures, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud detection mechanisms. These measures instill trust in users, giving them the confidence to embrace UPI as a secure method of making digital payments. Factor 4: Government support and digital initiatives. The support of the Indian government, and their focus on digitization played a pivotal role in UPI's success. Initiatives such as the Digital India campaign and the demonetization drive created a favorable environment for the rapid adoption of digital payment solutions like UPI. Government backing not only increased awareness but also instilled trust in the system, encouraging more users to embrace UPI as their preferred payment method. Factor 5. Continuous innovation and adoption. Finally, the success of UPI can be attributed to its continuous innovation and adoption. UPI has constantly evolved to meet the changing needs of users and businesses. The introduction of features like UPI Autopay for recurring payments and collaborations with international partners for cross-border transactions have expanded the scope and possibilities of UPI, keeping it at the forefront of India's digital payment landscape. Segment 3. Daily limits on UPI payments. As UPI gained traction, banks and apps introduced their own daily limits on UPI payments, creating a complex landscape of limitations. While the National Payments Corporation of India set a limit of 20 transactions per day and 1 Indian rupee lakh per day in 2021, individual banks implemented their own variations. Segment 4. Increasing number of UPI payments over time. UPI has witnessed an exponential increase in both transaction volume and user adoption, transforming the digital payment landscape in India. Let's explore how the number of UPI payments has surged over the years, showcasing the widespread acceptance and trust in this revolutionary payment system. In May 2018, UPI transactions marked a significant inflection point. The total value of UPI transactions amounted to 33,288 Indian rupees crore, with an average transaction value of 1,756 Indian rupees. Fast forward to May 2023, and the growth of UPI payments is nothing short of astonishing. The value of UPI transactions skyrocketed to a staggering Indian rupee 1,489,145 crore, with an average transaction value of 1,581 Indian rupees. It's important to note that this growth in UPI transactions has primarily been driven by volume rather than value. While the average transaction value decreased from 1,756 Indian rupees in 2018 to 1,581 Indian rupees in 2023, the sheer volume of transactions has surged, showcasing the widespread adoption and usage of UPI among users. Segment 5. Driven by innovation and the quest for enhancing the digital payment experience. First development: new rules and regulations. Regulatory bodies have introduced new rules and regulations to further strengthen and streamline UPI transactions. One significant development is the introduction of interchange fees for prepaid payment instruments, PPIs, wallet transactions via UPI. This fee, applicable from April 2023, aims to ensure fair and transparent transactions and is shared between banks involved in the transaction. Second development: UPI Autopay feature. To enhance customer convenience and merchant retention, UPI introduced the Autopay feature. With UPI Autopay, users can set up recurring payments for various services such as utility bills, subscriptions, and EMIs. This feature simplifies the payment process, eliminating the need for manual intervention each time a payment is due. Third important development: cross-border collaborations. UPI's impact is not limited to India alone. In recent times, the National Payments Corporation of India has collaborated with several countries, including Singapore, UAE, Bhutan, and Japan, to enable cross-border payments using UPI. These collaborations aim to promote seamless and secure international transactions, expanding the reach and utility of UPI beyond national borders. Segment 6. Effects of these trends for users and banks. The evolving trends in the UPI ecosystem have brought about various effects for both users and banks. Firstly, we discuss positive impacts for users. For users, the advancements in the UPI ecosystem have resulted in several positive impacts. 1. Convenience and efficiency. UPI offers quick and hassle-free digital transactions through smartphones, eliminating the need for carrying cash or visiting physical bank branches. 2. Financial inclusion. UPI has played a significant role in promoting financial inclusion by providing access to digital payments for individuals who may not have traditional bank accounts. 3. Reduced cash dependency. UPI has contributed to minimizing risks associated with carrying cash and has aided in combating illicit transactions, promoting a safer and more transparent financial ecosystem. 4. Enhanced transparency. Users can easily track and monitor their financial activities through UPI transactions, providing greater visibility and control over their funds. 5. Boost to digital economy. UPI has been instrumental in promoting digital entrepreneurship and innovation, fueling the growth of the digital economy in India. However, there are also certain challenges and implications that users face in the UPI ecosystem. 1. UPI as an alternative to petty cash. With the increasing adoption of UPI for smaller transactions, users are replacing petty cash with UPI payments. This trend is reflected in the declining average transaction value over time. 2. Limited transaction flexibility. The complex web of limitations set by different apps and banks on UPI transactions creates confusion and restricts users' flexibility in terms of transaction volume and value. Users often have to navigate through varying limits, impacting their ability to carry out transactions according to their needs. 3. Increased transaction failures. The surge in UPI payments has put a strain on the infrastructure and technical systems of banks, leading to occasional transaction failures. These failures can frustrate users and hinder their seamless payment experience. The evolving UPI trends also have significant implications for banks. 1. Infrastructure challenges for banks. Banks face the challenge of upgrading their infrastructure and technical systems to keep up with the surge in UPI payments. They need to ensure that their servers can handle the increasing volume and frequency of UPI transactions without any glitches or downtime. 2. Security and fraud prevention. With the rise in UPI transactions, the risk of cyber threats and fraudulent activities increases. Banks need to implement robust security measures, including encryption, two-factor authentication, and fraud detection mechanisms, to safeguard user data and prevent unauthorized access. Segment 7. The Way Forward. So, what does the future hold for UPI? To keep pace with the growing demand, investments in infrastructure and advanced technology solutions are crucial. Concepts like edge computing and blockchain integration offer potential for enhanced scalability, security, and real-time transaction processing. Personalized financial insights and AI-powered fraud prevention are other avenues for further development. In conclusion, UPI has transformed the digital payment landscape in India. Its rapid rise, daily limits, increasing transaction volume, and recent developments have reshaped the way we transact. As UPI continues to evolve, it will pave the way for greater financial inclusion, innovation, and a thriving digital economy.